Welcome students to today's session. We are going to move on to a new interesting lesson, conservation of plants and animals. So, there is a great variety of plants and animals around us. We coexist along with them and probably we cannot survive if they were not present. Man has realized this of late and started conservation of this group of plants and animals. Plants and animals are of great deal importance to humankind. We learn lot of things from this group of organisms and also they are helpful for us in a variety of ways. In this particular chapter, we shall look into all the aspects of how they are related to our life and why should we conserve plants and animals for better survival of humankind. So today's lesson, we are going to study the concept of deforestation. Deforestation is clearing a forest and using the land for other purposes. Now, what are these other purposes? Man is a very selfish organism. He has been destroying forests for his own greed and now in the world exist forests which are only 1/3 of what used to exist previously. Now, why is man cutting down the forest? The land could be used for cultivation, procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories for the needs and requirements of man, cutting down wood for fuel and making furniture. Some natural causes also contribute to this process of clearing a forest, and they could be forest fires, droughts, landslides, or floods. These are natural occurrences which can take place when forests are being destroyed. Now, in addition to this, we can think of many other causes which leads to deforestation. One is mining activities, uh, clearing forest for mining purposes, where we remove out metals or minerals from the surface of the earth. When we build dams, we clear huge amount of forest. So there are people who protest against this deforestation activities. They are called as environmentalists and probably sometimes stall the processes of construction of dams or any other huge apartments or buildings. So there are people who fight for the forest and protect them by their own means and methods. So deforestation is something which we should reconsider and rethink about because deforestation can lead to a lot harms than usefulness. Now, when a forest is destroyed, what are the consequences of destruction of forest? There is increase in temperature and pollution level on the earth. There is increase in level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leading to global warming. There is lowering of groundwater level. There is disturbance in balance in nature. There is decrease in rainfall leading to drought. Soil erosion and decrease in soil fertility leading to desertification. Desertification means formation of deserts. There is decrease in water holding capacity of the soil leading to floods. And most important, the habitats of animals, birds, and other organisms are lost and they are left out without homes. So, we have to think of this process of deforestation and prevent deforestation maximum possible. That should be our aim to avoid cutting down of trees, which can lead to so many imbalances in nature. We should avoid deforestation process. and what trees we plant are going to be assets of future. So think about it before we cut down trees. Thank you for listening to today's session.